Hi everyone, I'm doing a cloud pour today, and this is going to be the base. It's the Artist Loft Purple mixed with a little bit of floetrol and some Liquitex. And then the colors that I have are ultramarine blue by Liquitex. I have that mixed with about a teaspoon of Liquitex and Liquitex medium, and then I have the rest floetrol, so about 3 teaspoons of floetrol. And this one is Purple by Golden, and it's mixed with a little bit of satin enamel and some floetrol. I may not use all these colors. I just have to see how it goes. This is green, and it's by Liquitex Aqua Green. And I have it mixed with a little bit of satin enamel, so that's kind of changed the color a little bit. And then the next color is Prussian Blue by Golden. And this is Primary Blue by Golden. And then Golden Iridescent Gold. So, and then I have a little bit of this mixed together. This is satin enamel mixed with white. So I'm going to get the cup ready. First, I have these paints mixed pretty thin. For these mixtures, I have to make sure they're thin enough. I actually add water to these. This is one time when you can break the rules and add water, because the mixture does have to be pretty thin. Just getting rid of the bubbles that came up in that puddle. So I'm going to start with a little bit of this greenish mixture. Put that in there. And a little bit of the gold. And then a little bit of the white. A little bit of the purple. And some of the Prussian blue, and some of this ultramarine blue, a little bit of the white again, let's see, more of the purple, and then some more of the greenish color, and some more of the ultramarine blue, and some more of the purple. Okay, so I'm going to start pouring now. it really wants to slant over there. So I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then come back. Okay, so I'm going to start tilting it now. I don't know, I may use a spinner, but I'm not sure. I'm going to tilt it first. Don't want to lose all these pretty cells along the edges. They're just so nice. To go this way. Okay. It's definitely a messy art, that's for sure. It's funny because the first time I saw someone do this on YouTube, I was like, there's no way I could do that kind of art. It's way too messy. And then look at me, now I'm doing it. It's very addictive. And it's just so amazing because the paintings turn out different every single time. You never know. Let me see, I'm gonna put this on the spinner. Okay, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. See how those little cells are popping up? Little white ones, and then a little bit of a hint of blue, different colors together, yellow and green, and the gold in there. Just looks really nice. Wow, I'm really happy with this one. I think it turned out pretty good. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for tuning into my channel. You have a great day.